baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hey everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys this Bling mirror clock. Okay, here are the items that I'll be using for this DIY today, and everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what I got and where I got them from, and you can go get some for yourself to make this lovely blinged out mirrored wall clock. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, so we have our wood clock here, and we have some silver paint, and I taped up the little ticker for the clock. You know, you could take it apart, but your girl is lazy, so I just taped it up. And we're just going to add the paint throughout this whole clock, painting it silver. Now we're going to take our square pieces with the mirrors we got from Dollar Tree and these stickers from Walmart, and we're just going to bling out 4 of these square mirrored pieces. I'll just be showing you one, but it's 4 altogether that I will be blinging out. And now our clock is all dry, and we are going to take this foam paper with our mirrors and place them how we're going to set our mirror clock design. Okay, so we're just going to trace along the outside like what I did here, and then we're going to use our X-Acto knife and cut out the foam board. I'm just using this ruler to help me keep the line straight. And then we have to cut out a hole in the center so the clock can slide through it, so we can get to the back of the clock to put the battery in and out. And now we're just going to place back our clock and our mirrors onto the foam board so we know where to glue them down. And I'll be using E6000 and our hot glue gun to glue the mirrors onto the foam board. And I did take the tabs off the back of the mirror, you guys. The little 4 black tabs, I took those off. And now we're going to take our 4 blinged out mirrors and lay them down like this on our design, and then we're going to, again, with the hot glue gun and the E6000, glue our mirrored pieces down. And now we're just going to take our clock away from our mirrored piece on the foam board, because we're going to decorate our clock now. So we're going to put some glitter in the center with some Mod Podge first, and then we're going to sprinkle the glitter just in the center of our clock. And now while our glitter is drying, we're going to take our blinged out pieces from Totally Dazzled and decorate our clock. Okay, I'm going to use the gems from Totally Dazzled to line out our 12, our 6, our 3, and our 9 faces. And then we're going to use these bling gems and have used them for the other numbers, filling out between. You know, this is a bling clock, so we won't be using numbers, we're using our bling gems as numbers. And now that we've blinged out our clock with the gems, it's time to add our clock to the foam board. So we pushed it through the center. And I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue gun, you guys. And go right around. And now we're going to be using the hot glue and go right around also. And I'm going to use some of these popsicle sticks to help reinforce holding the clock onto the foam board. And these popsicle sticks will also help when we're adding the command strips to help hang up our blinked out mirrored clock. And this is how I'll be hanging it up, you guys, using 4 command strips. Now these command strips are the medium ones. I didn't have any of the large, so I used the medium, which I put 4. I like to put extra, and I put the battery in there too. I like to put extra command strips just to make sure. A lot of you have said to me that the command strips, your piece has fallen off. I don't think you're using the right amount. You know, you have to use, I always use extra. All my pieces are still hanging, as you guys can see throughout my home. And just use enough command strips when you're hanging up whatever wall art you're hanging. And here's our blinked out mirrored wall clock, you guys. I think it looks very nice. I love using the gems for the time, for the numbers on the clock. I think it looks super cute and it's nice. It's a nice wall decor for your home. You know, you can make it as a gift for the Christmas season that's upon us now, and I think it looks absolutely lovely. And talking about clocks, you guys, I went on my favorite site at Sophia and I ordered some more stuff, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. I ordered some things for a Christmas gift, and this little thing here that I just designed will give you a hint. It's one of the items that I did order. But when I get that order in, I will share it with you guys. Yeah, back to our bling clock now. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. And this is where I placed the clock, in my room above the tall dresser. And I think it looks very nice right there on the wall.
Local Productions.
And with the opening in the back and the command strips, I just lift them off and change the battery when I need to, and then just stick back on the command strips. You know, the command strips are 2 pieces, so you just pull the tab lightly and lift it up a bit so the back ones don't come off the wall. Change your battery and then press them back on together, and then your wall art is fine again on the wall. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it looks super cute and blingy. Like I said, a nice gift you can make for someone or keep it for yourself like I am. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about my blinked out mirrored wall clock, and leave me a comment below with that. And give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.